Have you ever imagined taking a Brazilian cooking class, learning all the recipes hands-on, tasting everything at the end, and still laughing and having a lot of fun with your new friends? Yes, folks, it is possible. At Cook in Rio, they offer cooking classes in English, where you will learn over 9 Brazilian recipes. Here, we first started by making caipi cocktails, learning all the secrets of the original caipirinha. Then, we moved on to recipes with the beloved cassava, a national ingredient, and we also learned how to make cheese bread in the air fryer. It was so good. This little sauce flambéed with cachaca was delicious. For the main course, we made fish moqueca with banana farofa, fluffy and loose rice. It couldn't be more Brazilian. And to finish, of course, we couldn't miss our beloved brigadeiro fudge. Folks, this experience is sensational. Recommend it to your friends? If you are visiting Rio, don't miss it. You will certainly never forget this experience.